Welcome to this fine-tuned, proven hunting property and off-grid driftless camp. This cozy cabin is one room with a wood-burning stove and a loft. Next to the cabin is a newer pole barn for storage. The property lays huge for just 68 acres, at nearly 1 mile from end to end. Everything has been designed for the die-hard deer hunter. There are multiple established clover food plots, stands, blinds, water holes, and more. Each stand setup has been carefully thought out for ideal access, different wind directions, and producing bow range opportunities. Oak ridges with thick undergrowth make this place hunt big and hold numerous deer. Quality bucks have been taken here, with some good ones still on camera right now. Contact us if you have any questions or to see this property for yourself.